Vince McMahon is insane. I do, yes sir. Yep. Bring me to him. Bring me to him, son of a bitch. Bring me to him. Where is he? Bring me to him, son of a bitch. I'll name this file just like building. Excuse me. This brick dash one dot png. then this brick will be nearly the same, but it will be a bit dirtier. This brick will have decay on it. Actually, let me take that, that, do that, do that, do that, do this, do that, do a whole bunch of that, whole lot of this, whole lot of that, whole lot of that, whole lot of this. Wait, no, we don't want that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll just do that, that, that. We want this to look more decayed, so we'll need a darker red. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Jason. 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 Jason Derulo. Oh, hell yeah, this is coming together nicely. Fucking love this. Look at that. Now, this is a hood classic. Or, yeah, we save it. This will be brick decayed. -1, just in case we make more. Not yet. Okay. I really wish I got more water, but I'm a dummy. And I don't want to get up to go get more water right now. So I continue on with the wood variety. Let's Google HTML. HTML for wood colors. Wood color palette. Perfect. That's exactly what I need. Mm. I'm a big fan of this one. I think that's what we're gonna go for. Copy that. Back in the asprite. Get that paint tool up in this. Paint bucket all over the sprite. Wait a minute. I didn't put in the color. same. Oh, yeah, kind of. I might just be a little stupid. Very possible. Um, I want to take it kind of darker to implement that these are floorboards. Kind of do what we did with the bricks. We'll go 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Near. Oh, near. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. And then we'll do it like that. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll go back over here. Perfect. Perfection at its finest. Picasso would be embarrassed. Da Vinci, more like the bitchy. I don't know. I'm I'm in a fucking silly. So I'm feeling a little silly today. A little goofy, a little funny, a little silly. We do a bit of trolling around here. Oh my god, you're yawning. Look, it's not like I had a bad sleep either last night. Oh yeah, fucking. You say try not goon like I'm not constantly, like I'm not doing it 24/7. I am what they call the eternal goon. That's my like. If someone angers me, like if someone tries to piss me off or something, they see a boss health appear, and then like some choir starts playing some really nice piano music, and then they just see Master of Goon. What's in my Estus flask? Want to find out? Oh man. Alright, let's do the same thing. I have no idea why I'm yawning so much today. I've had like 2 coffees, and I slept fine last night. I'm a little stupid though. You don't care. Give me a sign. What is love? Love, love. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No more. 1, 2. Wait. I thought I got the thing. Huh? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what? Yeah, actually, that makes sense. That in kind of like cracks to indicate that this has been pain for some time now, and that's been warped. I'm a genius. Hideo Kojima, who? Bro, who? I looks to me for ideas. He came to me and was like, "Yo, how do I make a game about walking?" And I said, "Bro, famous actor, and then walk." It's like, "Oh, okay." And then now he's doing the exact same thing, but with a director that I'm not that big of a fan of his horror movies. All right. Let's implement this. Let's begin implementing so it's done and over with. Godot, godab deep dab da do. I'd be married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? God, I do. Come on, Godot, let's go. Open sesame. God, yeah, damn it. I need to re-implement it. This is the okay. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? God, I do. My brain is rotted from the inside out. This will be what the player mostly. Take that, liberal. I drink in the shower, you drink at the bar after 5 p.m. We're not the same. Oops. Where's my paint tool? There it is. There we go. Then we'll take the decayed. Go back to the line tool. This. It's different, right? No, it's not. Because I'd never fucking. Because I'm an idiot. Because I'm a fool, Spider Man. I've been a fool from the very beginning. Okay. That sort of works. I need to put physics on them. Instead of. I know I do physics again. Select. There we go. What was it? Is it this? Reset to the file shape? Yeah, okay. Then. Or no, I don't want script. I want to add the player. Take the player over here. No. You take the man out of the scene. I run the script on it. Oh, I haven't saved this. I'm an idiot. I didn't play this one concept. Is it gonna move the camera where I don't want it to move? No, it's not. It's perfect, actually. Okay. Well then. That works. I forgot I have that curly. That. So now I need to make walls. I think that's a stopping point for the player. What's that? Yep, you sure did. Me time. I'm gonna grab a quick drink. I'll be right back. Alright, now I need to make walls. This is why I'm back in Chicago. Good you. I'm not as patient. One, two, five. One, two, five. Two, four, five. Boom. Let's do a straight line to indicate that these are walls. Giving the player the idea, or an idea of what the boundaries are of the game. Say brick wall. Yeah. Another version of me. What? They only had 4 things to tile now? Fuck. Do I seriously need to make a whole nother tile? Oh, wait. No, wait, I was right. Oh, well. Oh, no. She wouldn't make too much sense if they want underneath. That'll do. Alright, let's draw a chair. Let's get some furniture going. Okay. Let's go back to asprite. Oh no, movie. Alright, this is like a divorced dad, so it's probably gonna be a lazy boy. Alright. So these will be the legs, and then it'll have a base. No, they're part of the base. Then it'll have, you can just outline it. I think it'll go like this, where it makes kind of like an M shape. It's the weirdest looking fucking hair I've ever seen in my whole life. Let me fill it in with, I guess, this. I don't know, what's this look like? That's not what I wanted. I mean, off centered. God, I'm an idiot. Okay, let's be smart about this. So we make two legs. One, two, three. One, two, three. Erase that. And then let's think about this. I'll get a reference. I need to share. This is kind of what I'm looking for. Oh, so the legs. Okay. Okay. I see. I see. I see. I know, see. They call me Steven the Man Who Sees. That's not at all what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. You bastard. So we can kind of have legs. Yeah. They need to be kind of spread out. Like that. Actually, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do 6. 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we do a line 3 pixels out. Actually, we do 7 pixels like that. 1, 2, 3, I think. Is that 3? 1, 2, 3, 4 total, so yeah. 2, just line across. And then these are the legs. Sorry, the arms. Go like that. Oh, these can go all the way up. Oh, okay, I see. Then, I don't know. What do I want the background to be? Maybe something like this. Oh, I need to actually like make it so that there's a C or yeah. Whoops. So we sort of had a bit like that, and then like that. That doesn't look like a chair, but you know what? It's fine. It's my first game. And we'll do one of those things. Like this is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we go 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That, 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 and then that. It's still off centered, but that is fine by me. This looks like this could be an enemy. This looks like an eye. This looks like a demon of the night. Make it take it a little bit darker and do an outline to indicate shadows. God, I am very much realizing that anybody who plays this game is gonna think that's a person right off the bat. Ah, it's the killer! He's here to kill me! Oh no! He's a pink glob with a weird eye. Help me! Ow. Oh no! He's gonna kill me! Can't help me! Perfect. Okay. New folder. Furniture. Purple. Oh, I thought I did comma PNG. Oh, a shuck. Now let's make a cat. Not yet, actually. Not yet. I have a better idea. One I'd like to. Is sort of gray. Perfect. Let's do about in here. And then take the more silvery. Actually, no. Black. Then we'll do a green as if it's a green screen behind the news anchor. We'll do. Whoops. Maybe he'll just look like that. And then we'll take white as he's holding a piece of paper in his hand. So we'll call this TV playing news. .png. Okay, now let's draw a cat. Don't need Don't get that anymore. Pixel art. Cat. Hmm. I think this is what I kind of want to go for exactly. Oh man, my body hurts. Everything hurts. I'm an old man. I'm old as dust. Old as the dust itself. Actually, I have to use the washroom. So I'll return. So let's do this. Perfect. Let's begin by making. I want the cat to be looking towards the left. And this is kind of what I'm aiming for. This guy's gonna have a very flat head, but that's okay. This is looking at a very short neck. Santiago Oliveres. How's it going, my friend? How are we on this fine Saturday afternoon? Today we're just working on our game. Today we're just working on some art here. I'm creating a cat for my player. Currently, all we've gotten done is, let me go to the Godot engine really quick. Godot needs to restart itself. What? Oh, there we go. We built some bricks here. This is our player character. For a closer look at him, we'll take a look at this. This is our player. We'll remove or take away the collision shape so we can see him more clearly. This is our player. And currently, there's not much he can do other than he has two animations, which this should now be on play. This is idle, and this is his walking animation. And we built some bricks. We built bricks, and then these act as walls for with physics, and these act as what's wood flooring. We've so far built I haven't implemented that. Or, sorry, what I've built that hasn't been implemented so far is a chair and a TV. That's what we're working on right now. So right now I'm kind of just tracing the outline of kind of this cat that I found as a reference. I'm trying not to steal it, but try to put my own implementation on it somehow. Probably color-wise. Oh, that's why there's that. That's why there's that cat. To implement that there's a to implement that there is a break, a gap. And then what we'll do is this, and then what we'll do is that. Yeah, there we go. That's good, I think. Okay. And then we just need to do the tail, it looks like. Might be a shorter tail due to the complications. Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's just do these eyes, I guess. I think instead of, I think I'm doing a white outline with sort of a black inside for pupils. I don't know, that might look weird. That might look really weird, actually. I'm not sure, though. Let's try it. Yeah, that looks a little weird. That looks a little strange. Maybe the maybe the artist is an artist for a reason. Alright, let's just kind of invert these colors, I think. So we'll take the circle tool, or sorry, the eclipse tool, and we'll use black. And then yeah, we'll take white and just kind of do the same thing. And then let's fill in body color. We'll do my cat, which is kind of like this gray, but a bit darker. So kind of like a mix between gray and black. Yeah, it's perfect. Give him a little mouth. he'll, just he'll just constantly look surprised, like, what? We'll take a sort of like a red, give him a tongue. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, that's all I wanted to really do with that. So I don't want to like fully copy this person. mean, maybe I can make a um, bigger canvas size later, and then implement like an animation that has the cat kind of put his head down. Because I would like to, um, I would like to implement kind of like the cat eating. So what we're gonna do is we'll do player cat .png like that. Oh wait. Whiskers. Can't forget about the whiskers. Even though most cats have about 3 whisker rows, our cat's got 2. Perfect. Perfect. Save that. That looks stupid? I don't think so. Now let's make a bowl. Get a cap with like cat food. We'll make the bowl kind of purple, I think. I don't know why. Purple just kind of seems right. We'll take our line tool. Oop, take our line tool. Gonna do it like this. Like this. That. And this will be like the opening. And then I guess we can kind of like do that, do that, do that, do that, that, that. Actually, yeah, we'll just kind of do it like this, I think. Yeah, that's perfect. And then we'll take a paint tool and then just kind of fill that in. And then I'd like to take different colors relating to that color and mix it around. Like indicate that this is like multiple different like things and not just one big like slab of meat or something. Take like a darker approach too. Yeah, that works. That does work. That actually, yeah, let's take that out. Actually, let's add it. Let's introduce one more color, maybe on the lighter side. Yeah, a few of these maybe. Break it up. Yeah, that looks pretty good, I think. And then we'll call this. We'll put this in. Maybe I'll just have something. I'll put it in like a folder called mix. That I don't know, like misc. We'll just call this cat bowl. .png. Okay, enough with the cat. Let's get back on the furniture. I'd like to implement sort of like a light, like a ceiling light. No, I don't actually want that open. So I mean, we can full screen this back. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna zoom in, please. Thank you. Actually, you know what? Let me Google pixel art, kind of like a ceiling light. I think. Okay. Ceiling light. I didn't spell that right. Bars. Yeah, this is what I built. Yeah, okay. Yeah, hold on. Hold on. I was trying to go for Pirate Software's Game Jam. I drew this. So I think we're going to go with that. So battery on 70%. Nice. So let's use a dark. I think we should use a dark purple footing. What matches? Can I just Google like what matches with the red? No, sir. Check out youtube.com/srkelly. What matches? Red. Oh, I could make the base of it black, yeah. And then kind of do like a blue. So we'll take a dark blue, kind of. I think we'll make, yeah, the base of this kind of dark blue, yeah. That's uneven. Well, actually, what we can do is just that. Let's go with that 4. Was it 5 pixel? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that. And we'll do the same. Bam. And then this will be the black of it. It'll come down. And then kind of use that gold that he uses, same type of thing. We'll do a 3F, or this is more than 3, but that's fine. Eh. Then we need that blue again, which I think is this, right? Yeah. And then we go 3 out of this and bring it in. And then we just make it wider each time. Do one more. It's starting to look a little bit goofy, I think, if I do another row of them. Then we need the actual light bulb itself, which I think is going to be this color, kind of. It's kind of like, we don't want the horizontal matching anymore. Kind of do that. And then we take sort of make it sort of transparent. And it kind of goes like this. And that doesn't, that's off center. Uh, hmm. How many pixels is this? I'm not, let's see, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, I think. Oh no, there's more. Fuck, I fucked up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. So we go 12 in. Fuck am I saying? I forget what's. Can't do simple math. At least, oh, I can't spell either. Need a calculator. I forget what's 22 times, sorry, 22 divided by 2. Uh, Steven, you actual idiot. 11 plus 11. I'm stupid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 in. Take this color back. Kind of. I don't think I'm going to do what he did here, this kind of transparency thing. I think I'm just going to kind of have it like that. Have it like this. Yeah, we'll just use super bare bones like that. At least we won't put in too much detail for that. That's fun. How much detail do I want to put into this thing is the question. Do I want to do the shine that he does and then adds that shadow? That's what I really should do to indicate that like light is kind of coming in. But the thing is I never added windows to this. I don't know if I am gonna add windows. So I want the thing of this to kind of look like solitude in a way. So yeah, maybe we won't add windows. So that'll also get me out of having to make light kind of reflect. So yeah, what we'll do is just you know what, we'll add a bit of detail to the other stuff. This still doesn't make sense because there's no light creating light here and shade here, but we don't have to be too picky because this is my very first game I'm making, so it'll be okay. And then we'll kind of add a darker version of that blue, kind of do like a layer of it, I think, like right there. Yeah. I don't know what that indicates. They'll just indicate something. We'll do the same thing actually for this. Yeah. And then we'll call this, um, I'm not in furniture, call this ceiling lamp blue. Can I just type please? Thank you. Not PNG. Let's start implementing some of this now. Alright. Characters, player, cat. Let's go with characters. Haven't implemented furniture yet, so let's implement that. Wait, did I put that in buildings? I did, because I'm not very smart. Go, and then misc. Misc gets implemented. Oop. And Now, start drawing. Why is player cat in building and not in new characters? Okay. So we take player cat, we throw him in here. He's way too big. That's fine. We'll put him over here. So we'll have it so that like the player character like opens up with talking to his cat. I am huge. You are small, human. Feline. Take over. I want to control the size. Why is it not letting me do that? There we go. Thank you. He's just gonna be a static cat, just always happy, looking surprised. What is happening? Take the character out, take the furniture, ceiling lamp in. Oop. Ceiling lamp will go up here. Make it a bit bigger? Yeah. Yeah, that should be fine. What is this purple chair? I want this kind of over here, I think. Even though it's not going to be facing the TV, which is funny. But that is a-okay. I want the TV to be bigger, I think. Yeah, definitely. We'll kind of just stretch out the pixels here. I'm realizing as I'm enlarging this, it kind of looks like an alien that's very angry. Mm. And then, yeah, all I did for Miss was add a bowl. And we'll make this very tiny, I guess. Perfect. Cool. All right. Save. In the scene. Oh yeah. It really feels cool when like you've like designed all that art. Like even though compared to like big artists, big pixel artists and like big companies, and then you just kind of make this. It is a nice sense of accomplishment because this was just blank at the start of this project, and now I've got bricks, wood, TV, chair, light, cat, food, player with animations. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So I think what we're gonna do now is we're gonna implement a door here, and then after the door is done, implement movement for him, and then we'll do text. So let's actually open up Notepad real quick. Okay, draw door, implement movement for player. Dialogue. I can never spell dialogue. We'll just say character talking to cat. Character listening to TV. Okay. Save that into the feline thing. I'm in my like documents folder. Okay, I know this is feline art, but it's fine. I'm just gonna do this. To-do list. Okay. So let's draw a door. We don't need a reference for a door. I can look behind me and see one. So we're just gonna do pretty much a big rectangle, I think. Big old rectangle. It's gonna have maybe this as a background. Maybe. Yeah, that works. I'm gonna take this yellow and make a doorknob. So yeah, there we go. And since this is an apartment building, we're gonna want a peephole. So we'll do that. We'll do that, that, that. And then we'll take kind of like a gray, kind of like to simulate kind of like a transparency. Let's do that. Oh, and we'll need a lock. And so with that, we'll do a little black outline, kind of like that. Actually, I mean, look, I don't want a lock that's bigger than the actual fucking doorknob. We'll just take the silver again, just kind of, sure, fuck, I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. Okay. For now, this will be the door, because I don't know what else to do with it. So we'll just do, I don't know. We'll just call this door 1 in case I want to make different doors later. Okay, go back down. Been married a long time ago. Go back to furniture. Go to door. Oh, please just select door for me. Thank you. Furniture. Bam. Bam. the hell is it? Where'd it go? It disappeared. Godot, why? Why do you do this to me? Oh, I put it in disk. Oopsie. Door can go right here. Perfect. Perfect. Perfection at its finest. Alright, so we got the door done. Door. Bam. Next up is to implement movement. We need to go watch a dev form video for that. I could do what Godot just does, but I don't want to do that. I'm not lame like that. I like how my first recommended video is a Theb Chinese video. That's funny. Oh, Devworm, you have a thing, right?
Create a player script, you see all this code, right? Under the character body 2D. You see all this code. This was never in the last one. It just had like a little ready function, I think, and then that's it. But port gravity through it is though. And this is a platformer, it looks like, because we're gonna delete all that because we don't. And we'll see. And these are completely off for your player, so make sure it's just all the same sign. So you have to do add does anything, you have to make sure you put the. It doesn't really matter. Most player movements, but I'm gonna explain. And then we'll do our UI, right? So basically, if right is being pressed, then it's going to return a 1. But if our integer
Oh, I see what he was doing too. He was doing diagonal. That's why I was confused. Set up movement code. This is what I want. What are these other chapters?
Well, let's add some movement.
Oh, okay.
So create a new script, go physics process, give it a empty vector to start, and if we press right, then we'll increase this input vector by 1. If we press left, we'll decrease it by 1, and do the same for up and down.
Okay.
Okay, create a variable for speed.
Oh, I can tell it's predated what I'm doing.
And move and slide by velocity, by speed. And then I'm also just going to update the input vector on the screen.
I might have to come back to that to find what specifically I'm looking for, but we're going to go to player. What is process? No. Node? Yes. Wait. Does he already have a script? He does. Scenes. I want scripts. Oh no, I haven't made a script for him. Let me get a template. Oh, that's for the animation sprite. That's not for the actual character body. That makes sense. Basic movement. Yeah, that's what I want. I do not want it in scenes. I want it in scripts. Open. Great. Okay. So let's be a little lazy with this. Let's just take this generated and run it. I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast as fuck, boy. What you know? Oh, look at me. I can. It's like a lag. Or not a lag, sorry, but like a keep over. I'm also realizing I'm going behind every object. I need to fix that. Whee! See you later, nerds. I'm out of here. Whiskers. Whiskers. I can't stop it, Whiskers. Help me. Whiskers. God help me, Whiskers. Oh God. They're gonna kill me, Whiskers. They're coming. They're coming for me. Oh God. Oh God. Help me. I'm stuck in a box. I'm stuck in a box. What's on the TV? I don't even know because I only go behind the TV. I can't even go outside my door. It's fake. I'm behind my door. Where am I? I can't even sit in my own chair. I can't even pet my own cat. What's happening? Perfect. So I think to fix that, we have to put them at the bottom. We also have to put the tile maps at the bottom, I think. No, that's nope, nope, nope. Save the file real quick and rerun it. Just can't remember if that puts him behind the tile map. Should have checked. I could have just checked. Okay, perfect. And yeah, there we go. Solid, solid, solid. Okay, now we can kind of start to implement dialogue. Yeah. Movement has been implemented. Okay. I'm just gonna kind of Google it because I don't feel like playing the audio. So, okay, how to make dialogue. I can never spell dialogue correctly in Godot. Yeah, I didn't spell it right that time. How did I miss? What do I misspell all the time? I forget the U. That's right. Need help setting up a dialogue system. That's a forum. That's a very cursed website. I don't want to make it cut. Ah, fuck. Maybe I will start the video because that was more helpful. Turn this all the way down. And it's gonna buffer because my laptop is shit. And it's gonna buffer.
Welcome back, friends. In the last tutorial, I introduced the Godot dialogue editor that I've gotten a lot regarding. I'm going to the story in today's, as well as create in the text that your game into your dialogue story file reader to manage. Next, we'll spike if we're to go along with our. We'll start by making a new scene with a basic node as its root. To the dialog player root node, add a control node that will be the root of the dialog box. Change the layout to full rect. This node will be used to hide and show our dialog box. To the dialog box control node, add a 9-patch rectangle node. I'll change the min rectangle size to 720 by 256, but you can make yours any size that feels right. And I'll also center the layout. This node will serve as the main body of the dialog box. A small texture can be applied to the 9-patch rectangle nodes, such that its border can scale gracefully without stretching the corners. You can use the texture that comes with this example project, or make your own. We'll drag this texture into the 9-patch rectangle's texture slot and set the patch margin to define the texture's border areas. For this example texture, a margin of 3 pixels on all sides works well. To the body 9-patch rectangle node, add a margin container node to control where the main text will show up inside the dialog box. Choose full rec for the layout, and a margin of 16, 48, -16, -48 works well with this size of dialog box. To the margin container, add a label node which will hold the dialog text. In the size flag property of the label node, change both the horizontal and vertical to fill and expand. If you'd like, you can add some filler dialog to the text property to see what it'll look like, which I forgot to do myself here, but it will pop up later. To this label node, also add an animation player as a child. This animation player will be responsible for animating the visibility of the dialog text in the box. We'll come back to creating our animations later in the tutorial. Select the previous 9-patch rectangle and add a new 9-patch rectangle node. Change the min size to 180 by 48. This box will contain the name of the dialog speaker. Fill it with the texture using the same method as the main body, and I'll move it to the left slightly to give it some flair. Like before, to this 9-patch rectangle node, add a label node and set the layout to full. Set the align and v-align properties to center. This label will contain the speaker's name. You can optionally enter a placeholder value to view the results. Once again, select the body 9-patch rectangle and add a third 9-patch rectangle node. Set the layout to bottom right and change the min size to 256 by 48. Add our 9-patch texture again like we did twice before. This 9-patch rectangle will become visible and prompt the player to press the spacebar when they're ready to continue with the dialogue. Like the speaker name's 9-patch rectangle, add a label and give it a full rect layout. Center the text using the inspector properties and fill the label with a useful message to the player. Then slide it nicely into place. To the spacebar 9-patch rectangle node, add another animation player. This animation player will make the press spacebar button dance up and down to grab the player's attention when it becomes visible. And with that, we have all our nodes in place, but you've probably noticed that our text is rather small. This is because we haven't added any fonts to our labels. To change the font, find the font property in the Labels Inspector. Click the empty tab and select the New Dynamic Font. Then click the newly created Dynamic Font resource to open its properties. Uncollapse the Font menu to see the Font Data property. This is where you can drag and set any font you want. If you don't have any fonts, you can use the fonts that come with this example project, found in the Fonts folder. To change the font size, uncollapse the Setting menu and edit the Size property. Don't forget to go back to the speaker and the spacebar labels to change the fonts there too. With the font set, let's work on our animations. Click on the spacebar label's animation player and create a new animation. Add a new property track from the spacebar 9-patch rectangle node and look for and choose the rect scale property. Select the spacebar 9-patch rectangle node and click the animation tab again. Now we can keyframe the 9-patch rectangle's properties in the animation player. Make sure that the selected keyframe is frame 0 and press the key icon next to the scale property to set a keyframe. Next, move the selected keyframe to 0.5 seconds. Change the scale to 1.1 and press the key icon again. Finally, move the selected keyframe to 1 second. Change the scale back to 1 and hit the key icon a final time. Toggle the animation looping button to loop the animation and also toggle the autoplay on load button. Now whenever we run this scene, the press spacebar button will dance up and down. One animation down and one to go. Select the body animation player. Create a new animation and a new property track for the body label's %visible property. At 0 seconds, key the %visible at 0%, and at 1 second, key the %visible to 1.
Oh, that's so cool. Okay, that's how they do it like that. Okay. That's really cool.
And let's not forget to save our work. Congratulations! You are now the proud owner of your very own dialogue player that's ready to accept some GD script. But we're not quite done yet. Let's set up a new story file that we'll use to test our dialogue player. With the XP Godot dialogue system plugin installed and enabled, go to Project, Tools, XP Story File Editor.
Bozo. No.
Set up a new story file that we'll use to test our dialogue player. With the XP Godot dialogue system plugin installed and enabled, go to Project, Tools, XP Story File Editor.